Ever wondered what makes Grandma's Southern soup beans so delicious? It's all in the choice of ingredients and the love and patience poured into the preparation. The ingredients required for this hearty meal are humble yet full of flavor. We'll need a pound of dried pinto beans or navy beans, a large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, half a pound of seasoned fatback, or a couple of smoked ham hocks, salt and pepper to taste, and water. And for those who appreciate a little heat, a pinch of crushed red pepper flakes would be just perfect. The first step is to prep the beans. Rinse them under cold running water and make sure to remove any small stones or debris. Soak the beans overnight in a large pot of water. If you're short on time, a quick soak will work too, so just bring them to a boil for 2 minutes, then let them sit for an hour off the heat. Next, the meat. If using ham hocks, place them in a large pot, cover with water, and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 1 to 2 hours until the meat is tender. If using fatback, you can skip this step as it doesn't need pre-cooking. While the meat is simmering, sauté the chopped onion and minced garlic until they are translucent and fragrant. This step adds another layer of flavor to the beans. Now, drain the beans from their soaking water and add them to the pot with the ham hocks. Or, if using fatback, add it directly to the pot with the beans and fresh water. Then add the sautéed onion and garlic to the pot, along with enough fresh water to cover the beans by a couple of inches. Season with salt, pepper, and optional red pepper flakes. Remember to adjust the salt accordingly, as the meat will also add saltiness. Bring the pot to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for 2 to 3 hours. Stir occasionally and add more water if necessary to keep the beans covered. Once the beans are tender and the soup has reached the desired consistency, remove the ham hocks, let them cool slightly, then shred the meat, discarding the bones and fat. Return the shredded meat to the pot and adjust the seasoning with additional salt and pepper if needed. Serve hot with a side of cornbread for a classic Southern meal. And there you have it, Grandma's Southern soup beans, a comforting dish that warms the heart as much as it does the belly. The beauty of this recipe lies in its simplicity and its ability to bring people together. Enjoy.